Welcome back to another video, people. You don't know we're here again with another video, guys. Today we're there by Anata Bay, Dover. You see me today, guys. We're gonna link up with Jessica. We're gonna link up with Anthony Spearfish in Jamaica. You see me, I say? So we're there on the main right now. We are waiting for them. Them not arrive as yet. Hey guys, we're gonna look about some crayfish soup. You don't know, we have 2 crayfish from the catch and they have them on the fridge. So today we say we're gonna prepare them, you know, with some corn and some dumpling with some pumpkin. See me I say? So we're gonna bring you guys along the road, so just join us. Let's go. So guys, we finally beat up. So we're there up on the trail. I go for Twin Sister Falls. So we're there with Anthony Spearfishing. You wanna say? I'm a lead the way because I don't know which part I go. So see people will stay here carry stick just in case, you know. So we pick up piece of stick along the way just to get the fire started, and then afterwards we can look some more, you know. So we're on the journey. People, so we just reached the Twin Sister Falls, but right now it's not twin anymore, you know, because our falls was right there, but this is the one that's here now. So I don't know, we're going to cook right down here. So I got the fire stick them ready, make up a fire and get rid of some of them mosquitoes there. So let's get that done. So people don't know where I got the fire side set up now. Right here, right below the falls, you know. So I set up fire side right here, so people, I don't know where I go get way pot on the fire, get way cook with crayfish clean up, and get the flour need, cut up a pumpkin, everything will go nice. Just stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, we have to get some water from the falls, you know, fresh, clean water, you know. So I get the water from the falls, and it's what I use to cook the pot today. You understand? So We'll get some water now, and then we'll go back down and get on the pot. Yep, the pot is on the fire. Nothing is inside it as yet. We have some crayfish. Crayfish. Crayfish soup. So I get them clean. I will cut them like out of the lobster and clean them out. Normally sometimes people just put them in the pot whole. If you don't want to clean out the head on them place.
Especially when they're a little smaller.
Yeah. I don't want to do them so. So I split them and clean them. Yeah.
Like the ones they look like shrimps.
The other ones them. All them you know have meat inside of them. Yeah. Them liver pull you. So then clack your finger. Anyways, I get them clean now. I'm putting on the pot with some pumpkin. Let's get that done. So guys, these are the ingredients that we have today. You know, the nougat, Irish carrot, some corn, pumpkin, a nice pumpkin, and some scallion. Yeah, so I get them here prep up now. I'm putting in the pot. Pot up on the fire. I'm gonna show you one inside. Yeah, so what this now people, so you know corn, you know, put some dumpling in it soon. And that will be the break. So guys, I'm showing you what I'm going over here, so with Jessica and Anthony them. I'm gonna look about fish. Bara, Jack, and Chica. I'm gonna look at the table over here.
More that we can manage though. We not close it properly.
Don't look at fish. I ain't done that.
People were drowning the fish. That's so funny.
She finally run out.
Go ahead. You gonna throw some beer in at this too?
Yeah.
Alright, it's solid. That's our noodles. Alright, you crazy. So we're stealing.
Crayfish marinade soup. Just prepare and clean. Some people are feeding me. All that. Until I drink this, I get a youth, you know. The more of a crayfish soup.
So you did vein him already? No, that's still in there.
That don't do nothing. I don't really can come out after. Because the one here different from the lobster one.
Oh, yeah, because he has everything in the head.
So the one is I wash it now. And the one is I wash it.
First, yes.
Put in the crayfish them now. Right here.
Hey! Look, guys, look at this. Look at this.
Change color.
That's it.
I'll get ready. So guys, look at that now. Look how the soup's there. My gosh. Put it on next noodle. And give it a nice stir now. Rich. Nice. What am I do? I work with them man.
Bob the Builder.
I think that expensive, you know?
Perfect. And dumpling and corn and liquid porridge. I'm sure you can manage them legs.
This is not a leg, it's a claw.
Claw. No, that's alright for now. Just some more liquid.
Oh my, it's hot. Yeah, yeah. A crayfish. Yeah.
Yo, me left it. Me left it there, man. Bro.
Like 10 for your side, but like y'all. Like some crayfish people. Yeah? Crayfish soup. Yes, good. Hot man, bring me to that.
Super bad. La breeze are blue right now.
Guys, this alone left in the pot. I hold it same way, man. Just want to go water funny and it's good to go again.
My belly's so full I cannot even do videos and say fish nice.
Fishless all now, people. I don't want to get to sample it yet. We are sampling it on the road still. We have Anthony as the same way. And indeed, they fish them, you know. Anthony spear fishing. Adventures. I never adventure first. Okay. Yeah, so we are pack up the stuff from now, people. Don't know we're going to head home right after, so. Go and pack up.